Hi, this is Joel from Chapman, and today I have version 3 of our wood kits. These are heirloom quality hand-finished, made and hand-finished kits right here in Durham, Connecticut, where we are. Pretty excited about these. We used to offer the previous version 2 and 1 type of wood. Now we offer 3 types of wood. So we have maple, cherry, and walnut, and then we even have some super fancy ones that are 2 different kinds of wood. We did make some improvements in these kits. We did add cork feet to the bottom as well as a notch on the outside to make it a little bit easier to open, which was actually a customer suggestion and a really good one. They have the same hidden hinges as the last version on the inside, but they have slots for the spinners instead of the little steel pins. And these cases actually have corresponding wood handles. So the maple kit comes with a maple handle, and the cherry with the cherry, and the walnut kit with a walnut handle. So these make a great heirloom quality gift, or you can treat yourself. And you can see these kits and everything else on our website, chapmanmfg.com.